Welcome to our roundup of the best microscope options for students, hobbyists, and curious minds who want to explore the hidden details of the world around them. Whether you are into biology, electronics, coins, plants, or just love discovering tiny details, we have selected some of the most reliable and exciting microscopes that combine clarity, performance, and ease of use. In this video, we will break down what each model does best, how easy it is to use, what kind of images you can expect, and who each one is really for. From lightweight digital options to serious lab-style microscopes, there is something here for everyone. Make sure to check the description box for the best deals and more details on each product. And now, let's dive right in and find the perfect microscope for you. The first on the list is the Swift SW380T. The Swift SW380T is built for users who want professional-level magnification, excellent image clarity, and strong build quality in one complete package. This microscope offers a massive 40x to 2500x magnification range, which means you can comfortably observe everything from larger specimens like plant tissues to extremely small details like bacteria structures. The all-glass optical system and high-quality lenses produce sharp, bright images with impressive color accuracy, making it suitable for students, advanced hobbyists, and even semi-professional lab work. Right from the start, you can tell this microscope is made for serious observation rather than casual use. One of the biggest strengths of the SW380T is its trinocular design. This allows you to view specimens through the eyepieces while also attaching a camera for recording or live viewing on a screen. That makes it perfect for teaching, presentations, or documenting your discoveries. The dual-layer mechanical stage feels smooth and precise, helping you move slides accurately without losing your subject. The illumination system is bright and adjustable, so you can fine-tune the lighting depending on the specimen you are observing. This level of control makes a huge difference when you are working with very detailed samples. In terms of comfort and usability, Swift did a great job here. The sturdy metal frame keeps everything stable, even at high magnification levels. The focusing knobs are smooth and responsive, making it easier to get sharp focus without frustration. The microscope also comes with a good selection of accessories, so you can start exploring right away without needing to buy extra parts. Overall, this is a powerful and dependable microscope that feels like a real upgrade for anyone who is serious about microscopy. It is not the cheapest option, but the performance, flexibility, and image quality more than justify it. If you want a microscope that you can grow with over time, this one is a fantastic choice. Next up is the Celestron LCD Digital Microscope 2. This model is perfect for users who want a built-in screen, easy digital viewing, and simple image capturing without dealing with complicated setups. Instead of looking through eyepieces, you get a clear color LCD screen right on the microscope, which makes it extremely comfortable for long viewing sessions. It is also great for kids, families, or classrooms because multiple people can watch the screen at the same time without taking turns at the eyepiece. The digital zoom and adjustable magnification make it easy to explore a wide range of objects, from coins and stamps to insects and plant parts. The built-in camera is one of the most useful features here. You can take photos and record videos of what you are observing, which is perfect for school projects, presentations, or just saving interesting discoveries. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, so you do not need technical knowledge to get started. The LED lighting system provides even illumination, and you can adjust it depending on the object you are viewing. This makes it much easier to get clear images, especially for reflective or darker samples. In daily use, this microscope feels more like a modern gadget than a traditional lab tool, and that is exactly its strength. It is portable, easy to set up, and does not require any special skills to operate. While it does not offer the extreme magnification or optical precision of high-end lab microscopes, it delivers a very enjoyable and practical experience for casual users, students, and hobbyists. Overall, this is a fun, convenient, and user-friendly digital microscope that makes exploring the microscopic world simple and engaging. Next, we have the Pali Partners Compound Microscope. This microscope is a great option for those who want strong magnification performance, a complete starter kit, and solid optical quality at a reasonable price. It offers a wide magnification range that is suitable for viewing cells, tissues, and other biological specimens in impressive detail. The lenses provide clear and bright images, especially considering its price range, making it a very popular choice for students and home learners. One of the highlights of this microscope is how complete the package feels. It usually comes with prepared slides, tools, and accessories, so beginners can start exploring right away without needing to buy extra equipment. The stage controls are easy to use, and the focusing system is smooth enough for comfortable daily use. The built-in lighting is bright and adjustable, helping you get a clear view of different types of specimens. The overall build quality is good for its category. It is not as heavy or as rugged as professional lab microscopes, but it feels stable and reliable for normal use. This makes it a great balance between performance and affordability. For students, beginners, or anyone who wants a proper compound microscope without spending too much, this is a very smart pick. Overall, it delivers excellent value, solid performance, and an easy learning experience for anyone starting their microscopy journey. At number 4, we have the Apexel 800X handheld digital microscope. This tiny device is all about portability, quick digital viewing, and surprising magnification power in a pocket-sized form. Unlike traditional microscopes, this one is designed to be used with a phone, tablet, or computer, making it perfect for quick inspections, outdoor exploration, or hobby projects. You can use it to examine coins, circuit boards, plants, fabrics, and many other objects in great detail without carrying bulky equipment. Despite its small size, it offers impressive magnification and built-in LED lighting to help you see details clearly. The image quality is surprisingly good for a device this compact, especially when used in good lighting conditions. It is very easy to use. Just connect it, open the app or software, and start exploring. This makes it a great tool not only for students, but also for hobbyists, collectors, and even simple repair or inspection tasks. Of course, this is not meant to replace a full-size laboratory microscope. It is more of a fun, practical, and extremely convenient tool for quick observations and digital viewing. The biggest advantage here is how easy it is to carry and use anywhere. Overall, if you want a lightweight and affordable digital microscope for everyday exploration and quick checks, this is a very handy little gadget to have. The last one on our list is the Celestron Labs Binocular Stereo Microscope. This microscope is designed for comfortable two-eye viewing, excellent depth perception, and clear three-dimensional observation of larger objects. Unlike compound microscopes that are mainly for slides, this stereo microscope is perfect for examining coins, rocks, insects, plants, and small mechanical parts. The binocular design makes long viewing sessions much more comfortable and natural, reducing eye strain and making the experience more enjoyable. One of the biggest strengths of this model is the true three-dimensional view it provides. This makes it much easier to understand the shape, texture, and structure of objects. The image quality is sharp and bright, and the lighting system is well suited for reflective and solid objects. This makes it a great choice for hobbyists, collectors, students, and anyone who works with small objects and needs to see fine details clearly. The build quality is solid, and the controls are simple and reliable. Overall, this is an excellent stereo microscope that offers comfort, clarity, and a very enjoyable viewing experience for a wide range of practical uses. So, there you have it, some of the best microscope options you can get. Whether you want a serious lab-style instrument, a modern digital microscope, or a compact portable tool. Each of these models offers something unique, and the right choice really depends on what you want to explore and how you plan to use it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the hidden details of the world around you.